What's going on, world? It's your boy Carpet Inc. and welcome back to Epic Whipz, man. And today I'm finally showing you my crashed RX8. Yep, there she is. Well, let's bring this down. Well, so here she is. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Now, the carbon fiber is still pretty good. It just needs a nice little buff. You can see it has a ton of marks on it. I know. I didn't have even had the front fenders on that long. Still got dirt up here. Look at that. Stay tuned to the end because I will show footage. I do have footage of the actual incident. This is flat. This tire got punctured. I think something. This is gone. Oh, let me bring out my under panel. Let's take a look at this bad boy. That's my under panel. It's supposed to be straight. I know, mate. This is dying. Alright, so also down here, I don't know if you can see, that is kind of up. Alright, pop the hood. Now, I really looked into this engine bay and to see if anything looked off or anything like that, and literally the only thing I found that was kind of out of place was, let me see if I can get a good look at it, was over here. So was really this oil line getting very close to like that AC condenser or AC I don't know the proper name for it, compressor, condenser, I think it's compressor, whatever. These, my oil coolers literally got pushed back tremendously. I literally pulled it forward a lot, but it's still kind of pushed back a little bit. This is bent. Same on the other side. This is even worse. You know, I try to pull it forward, you know, to bring it back forward, but yeah, it's still bent. But I'm not leaking anything. Mad dirty. No, I'm not leaking any fluids because I literally drove this home. Yeah, mates. Yeah, not fun. Not fun. So what we're gonna do now, what I'm gonna do now is jack it up, you know, put it on all fours, take a look underneath to see if there's more damage that I don't see, and tomorrow try to get this tire repaired or get a new one. Actually, I need whole 4 new tires, to be honest with you. You know, so I'll try to get that. Hopefully my suspension is good. I really don't know. It just got ripped off. This is crazy. Yeah, mate. That's what happened. Everything in the rear is pretty good though. Like nothing really happened in the rear. It was just the front. Because once you see the video, you'll see what happened. And to be honest, oh yeah, this stuff broke off and stuff. I forgot about that. The other one of this that goes over here, it broke. It is. Yeah. Yeah, fun times. So I'm just gonna jack it up on all fours, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely need a new under panel on the tray, whatever you want to call it. I got dirt in the vehicle as well. Shout out to this guy. He actually came over while I was pulled over and asked me if I was alright. Because he had a Subaru, he had a WRX, and it was pretty nice. Did some work to it. Check him out, mates. So yeah, mates. We'll tackle this mañana. And hopefully we can get this bad boy on the road. But I've been dreading to do this video because literally it's just like, oh my gosh. The carbon, mate. The only piece, the only thing is this right here. That's the only thing I seen that really got damaged. Oh man. Yeah, that's really that's kind of bad right there, mate. Bloody hell. Front bumper. Ugh. I've seen better days, mate. I've seen better days. Durability is phenomenal, though. I must say, the durability on this is phenomenal. As you can tell, this is not there on any of them. So those came out. It is what it is, you know. We can always put that back. This got ripped right here, broke off. So where the screw goes, I don't know if it'll hold it well. Like this one over here, definitely just broke right off. You know. So we're gonna have to fun times, right? It's fun times. So we gotta get to work, mate. Now I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, mate. But I don't know if you guys remember the first Fast and the Furious. You know, this guy brought over, you know, a piece of Toyota Supra. Remember that piece of Toyota Supra? I know you remember that piece of Toyota Supra in the first Fast and the Furious. All right, okay. And when it was said and done, yeah, let's make it epic, mate.